Hello friends, I am Bhupesh Mehra from Suchi Engineers Mumbai. Have you come across instances in a plant where electrical or electronic equipment which has been working normally fails suddenly for no apparent reason? The cause for such failures is usually electromagnetic surges. In this video, I am going to talk about these surges and their types.
Surges are transient or short duration, high amplitude, high frequency, high energy waveforms which can transfer this energy into an electrical system. These surges typically last between 20 to 350 microseconds and range in amplitude from 350 to 1500 volts. There are three sources of these transients: lightning, switching, and electrostatic discharge. Let's start with lightning electromagnetic pulse, or LEMP. I'm sure you must have heard of damages caused due to lightning strikes. Besides the loss of life and fires due to direct lightning hits, there are many case studies of equipment damage due to the electrical surges introduced by lightning. These surges enter the power supply, travel up to the equipment, and are powerful enough to damage it completely, as can be seen in these photos. Another type of surge which is very common and equally damaging is the switching surge. These surges are generated due to the extremely high current changes such as short circuits, switching on and off of large electrical equipment such as contactors, motors, chillers, compressors, heavy-duty welding machines, etc. Check the equipment damage by switching surges. One of the most common cause of a switching surge is when high voltage, low voltage, as well as signal cables are laid in the same cable tray without sufficient separation between them.
A lightning surge typically lasts for 350 microseconds and achieves its maximum amplitude in the first 10 seconds, whereas the switching surge lasts for just 20 seconds but achieves the same amplitude in the first 8 seconds. It is due to the longer duration of the lightning surge which causes more damage.
Lightning and a switching surge. This large area represents the 10 by 350 microseconds lightning surge, and this smaller area within represents the 8 by 20 microseconds switching surge. You can see that both these surges attain the same maximum amplitude. However, it is the longer duration of the lightning surge which is the cause of greater damage. The last type of surge is one that is caused by electrostatic discharge. This surge is produced due to the transfer of electrostatic charge between two bodies at different potentials. It mainly causes damage to sensitive electronic equipment.
I hope you found this information to be useful. In our next video, we will look at why it is important to protect our equipment against these surges. Thank you.